making mango butter. So I have my mango butter here. I'll put the information in the description. Also have my vitamin E cream that I bought, and I am so excited to try this out, guys. So excited to try this out. It's cruelty free and it's vegan, so I'll put a description in the box for you. I'll just put some information in there for you. So let's get to it. Because I plan on making two body creams, I am gonna also be making some shea butter cream. So this is raw shea butter, so you're gonna need that for the other creams. I'm doing two creams. So I added just a block, so a block of shea butter and also my vitamin E cream. I'm gonna blend those all together, and I'm hoping for some good results, guys. I'm hoping for some good results. Guys, you can add as much shea butter as you like. I just tend to just try out different amounts. Wow. That is the shea butter and the vitamin E cream. So the next butter we'll be making, guys, I have it all over me. It's so good on my skin. I feel so moisturized. The next cream we're gonna be making, well, butter, is the mango butter, because we've made the shea butter before. Now we're making the mango butter. So I've added 2 tablespoons full. So 2 tablespoons full of mango butter. And also I did kind of the same for my vitamin E. I did about 4 tablespoons, because 4 tablespoons because I needed more vitamin E than I needed butter, the mango butter. I'm gonna just whip that up, and then we'll see what the finished product will be like. Yeah. Guys, this is the finished product. Yes, I went for it. I bought mango pieces in the mango butter, and I didn't want to put a big old chunk of shea butter in there, so I just placed a big old chunk of shea butter there. Hey, I love these creams or butter. Trust me, I love them on my skin. Just by making them, my skin feels so good. You have to try these, guys. Try these. They're homemade. You know what's added to them, and you know what, it's better for your skin, it's better for your health, and cheaper, guys. I will put a link of everything in the description. Please like, subscribe, share me out, guys, so more people can come see this beautiful product, guys. Awesome. Loving it.